Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you for coming and watching our YouTube channel. Today we want to show you how to extract your month, your day and your year from your date separately. Okay, those of you who are working with large data set, this is important for you. Even those who are working with smaller data sets, companies would like to see how their products are moving from January right up to December. They also like to see how the days are going in terms of their companies, in terms of insights in their companies. Let's move forward and show you how this works. So to begin with, here we have our month and here we have the date. Okay, here we have 6/12/15. So we don't know the date yet. We want to know the name of the date, the name of the month, sorry. So here we just click and then we write equals to, and then we come here and we write text. Text is an inbuilt function in Excel. Okay, and here what we have to do is just come and click in the cell that you have your date, and then you write comma, and then you give a space, and then you open your quotes. Are you getting? And then since we are dealing with month, you are going to write M 4 times, 1 2 3 4, because M stands for month. And then you close your quote, and then you close your bracket, and then you click enter. So now it tells us that here we had June. Okay, we had June. It means this 6 is the month, it stands for June. And when we move on to the day, here again we do the same. We just go click equals to, and then we write text, and then we click tab, and then we go again and it says select value. We select the cell where we have the date, and then we bring equals to, we give a space, and then it tells us to open our quotes. And then since we are dealing with a day, we are going to write D 4 times, 1 2 3 4, because D stands for day. And then we are going to close the quote and then close our bracket and then click enter. You see, so it tells us this is Friday. Okay, and then it tells us this was Friday. And then here we move again to extracting a year from the date. So here it's simple. We just give equals to, and then we click our text again, and then we give tab, and then we just click right comma, and then we give space, and then we open our quote, and then we write Y 4 times, 1 2 3 4, and then we close our quote, and then we close our bracket, and we click enter, and that's it, 2015. So let's also see how this works in a more data analysis perspective. Right here, and we have this. We want to know the different months of this date. We want to know the different days. We want to know the different years. So all we need to do is do the same thing we did. Just click equals to, and you write text, and then you write tab, and then you come here and you click on this cell and you write comma, and then give a space. You open your quotes, and then you write month 4 times, M 4 times, 1 2 3 4, and then you close it, and then you close the bracket. Okay, and you click enter. So now there's a trick in Excel. When you play with your mouse right here, you come right beneath here, it turns to a black cross, and you double click. You see, it gives you all the different months automatically. It gives you June, April, May, August, April, September. So this is powerful. You can take an old data from Excel, and you are able to identify the different months by their names. So right here we go to day, and then we click equals, right equals to, we click text, we write a tab, and then we come again, click on the same date, and then we click comma, and then we give space, we open our quotes, and then we write D 4 times, 1 2 3 4. It stands for day, and then we close our quote, and then we close our bracket, and then we write enter. And then we come here again, we do the same thing, and then we play with our mouse right here. It turns to a small black cross, and we double click. You see, it gives us, we have Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. You see, this is powerful. And then we do that again for our year. We just write text, and then we click tab, and then we come here, we select the date, and then we click comma, and then we give space, and then we open our quotation, and then we write Y 4 times, 1 2 3 4. Y stands for year, and then we close it, and then we write enter. And then we come here, play with our mouse again, it turns to this small black cross. Please do go to our Excel for beginners. You see, we explain more on mouse, what happens when mouse changes and what are the signs. And then you come here again, and then you double click. Perfect. So this is all we had for you when it came to your year. This is so powerful. We use this a lot in data analysis to be able to know trends and what happens within the month, what happens within the days, because companies want to know how their customers are reacting, how their customers are behaving every month and every day and every year as well. And then also this is also very important for organizations as well. They want to know what they have done. They want to be able to have a rundown of their project in the past or history, what happened within the month and within within the days and within the years. This is important for us to know, to be able to use to analyze data for companies, organizations, and also for our private lives. Thank you very much. This is all we had for you for date and also month, days, and year. Okay, thank you so much. Stay blessed.